Hi folks, in this video I'll be teaching you how to divide a straight line into a given number of equal parts. Now the first step is to draw the given straight line. So here we are going to draw a straight line AB. So this is it at the top of this paper. Let's call it A and then this is B. Now the next step is to draw line AC at any convenient angle to AB. So basically I'll draw line AC. So from A to C I'll draw any straight line. So I'll use a construction line. It's not too straight, it's not too long. So this is AC. Now the next step is to step off along AC the required number of divisions. So in this case, if I wanted to divide line AB into 8 equal parts, I will step off 8 equal parts along line AC. So that's exactly what I'll do. So when you want to step up equal parts, you measure the equal parts you want to step off on your ruler. So that's the first method. The first method is to measure it on your ruler. There's another method to do this. You can keep cutting the parts. So I can cut here, cut. So but the second method I'll teach you is the better method to do this, because it reduces the error, the random error. So in this case we are going to step off the 8 parts directly from the ruler. So this is the accurate method of doing this. So you step off the first part, step off the second part. So all you need is a dot representing each of the points. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is a ruler. It has centimeter scales. So each of these dots is 1 centimeter apart from each other. Now the next step is to join the last number to point B. So this is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, and point 8. So I'll join this last number to point B. So basically I'll join the point 8 to point B. So 8 to B, you can see I'm joining them together. Now the next stage of this drawing is you are going to join the last number to B. Then you draw lines parallel to this line from the other numbers. So basically what you need to do is you need a set square and a ruler. Now you put your set square along this line. You put one of those sides that are facing the 45-degree angles. So one of these sides facing the 45-degree angles, that's either this or this. You place it on the line. Then you put your ruler on the second on the other side, which is facing the 45-degree angle. So make sure there's no space between the ruler and the set square. Now then you begin to step off. You begin to draw parallel lines. From the 7, you draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 6, draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 5, draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 4, draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 3, draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 2, draw a line parallel to meet line AB. From 1, draw a line parallel. So all these are parallel lines. Now the next step is the fact that AB is now divided into the required number of equal parts. So as you can see, we've successfully divided AB into 8 parts. You have the first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, and 8 parts. So that is how to divide a line into a given number of equal parts.